Vitagen is a new renewable energy company headquartered in Cagayan de Oro on the island of Mindanao in the Philippines. Vitagen is aiming high in its vision to transform the ecosystems of both energy and agriculture through the implementation of anaerobic digestion, which forms biogas. Anaerobic digestion of fruit and agricultural waste forms the basis of change because this technology not only produces energy from waste, but also produces soil nutrients that can be integrated into a new ecosystem that is far more sustainable. Vitagen's goal is to create a new ecosystem that has potential for dramatic, economic, social, and environmental change. Vitagen is actively pursuing its vision through two projects: the conversion of mango waste to energy at Amli Foods, a 200 kilowatt project, and a larger 20 megawatt project for the conversion of banana, corn, and chicken waste to be located in the environmentally sensitive headwaters region of Bukidnon's Tagolwan River Basin. In this video, we will show you Vitagen's status of these projects and explain why this development is so important. Amli Food is a mango fruit processing company that employs over 500 people, operating 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The company makes dried mangoes as a 98% export product. Philippine dried mangoes is a growing market in the US, Japan, and Australia. Amli Foods provides good jobs and upward mobility for the employees in this expanding enterprise. The process consists of sorting, washing, peeling, slicing, soaking, and drying. Amli processes about 50 tons per day of fresh mangoes, and in that process produces about 15 tons per day of high energy waste. Vitagen's first project is to convert that waste into biogas, producing clean, reliable power. Fruit processing produces high-energy waste streams, including peels, syrup, seeds, and wash water. Today, these wastes are disposed in landfill or through high-cost wastewater treatment facilities.
These bags in this forklift are being used to move mango seeds, which is a waste product of this facility, to a landfill. That kind of waste is something that can be recovered and made into energy.
Across Mindanao, similar fruit processing of mangoes, pineapples, and bananas produce over 1,500 tons of waste per day.
Imagine 1,000 trucks every day just on the island of Mindanao.
Vitagen is targeting the fruit processing waste as a primary fuel to produce biogas. If energy from this waste can be harnessed, and if the biogas can be used as a peak energy fuel, then over 200 megawatts of peak power can be realized. Vitagen aims to be a leader in biogas process technology in the Philippines. Vitagen aims to be a homegrown company with architects, engineers, chemists, and skilled technicians, all hired from the Philippine universities. Vitagen uses Vitagen, a cutting-edge clean energy consulting firm, as advisors to bring the know-how from the international community and provide a starting point for Vitagen Philippines Technology Group. Since July 2012, Vitagen has been making biogas from fruit waste by building inexpensive prototype processing equipment from local materials and by using laboratory facilities available at Amli Foods. The prototype operation runs continuously, producing biogas from mango waste in small quantities. The prototype operation has grown and now consists of 10 anaerobic digestion vessels, which are performing a variety of process characterization experiments, including fermentation, acetofaction, anaerobic digestion, desulfurization, pH control, and solids management.
Once the acetic acid is formed in the fuel, sugar's been converted to alcohol, alcohol to acetic acid. Then that fuel is now ready for the methanogens, which are the bacteria that form methane. And they form methane in the absence of oxygen. Each one of the plastic drums that you see here contains a mixture of the feedstock and bacteria that are eating that feedstock to make biogas.
The AMLI Energy project is now ready for scale-up. Vitagen engineers, Strategen advisors, and contractors have completed the biogas facility design for AMLI Foods, and we are now ready to begin construction. Vitagen intends to be leaders in biogas levelized cost of energy by utilizing the best of breed from biogas systems seen around the world, where best is defined as the most cost-effective quality process, which takes full advantage of the affordability of skilled Philippine labor. For the design, construction of components, and operation of facility, more than 80% of components of AMLI Foods biogas facility will be designed and fabricated right here in the Philippines. Vitagen feels that this competence is the differentiator of our ability to scale into developing ecosystems. Earlier, we mentioned that Vitagen's goal is to create a new sustainable ecosystem based on biogas that provides both energy and soil nutrients. By their nature, plants such as fruit, grain, and vegetables remove nutrients from the soil to become food for all living things. In nature, the nutrients taken from soil eventually make it back to the soil through the process of natural decomposition. With human agriculture, however, this cycle is broken. The nutrients removed are not returned to the soil. Instead, the nutrients become waste that contaminates our air and our water, causing pollution. Vitagen proposes a solution to this fundamental problem by bringing biogas energy along with a sustainable upgrade to agricultural methods. When biogas is formed with anaerobic digestion, the liquid that remains behind, called digestate, has amazing potential as plant food because it contains a complex blend of organic nutrients in a form that is readily assimilated by plants. That value can be realized in higher, more uniform crop yields. If the digestate is produced near where the crops are grown and is incorporated through improved farming methods. Vitagen's next project is much larger and is based on the ecosystem of chickens. Chicken is a popular and primary source of protein in the Philippine diet. Thousands of lechon manok retail operations dot the local landscape, providing a fresh, nutritious, and delicious choice to a growing population. The economy of chickens begin with a growing of feed, of which 80% consist of corn and soy. Each year, the people of Mindanao consume about 200 million chickens, and each chicken requires 1 to 2 square meters of productive cropland for its food. Vitagen plans to build its second biogas facility, a 20 megawatt biogas power plant in proximity to the Bukidnon crop areas, so that the digestate can be used as a primary nutrient source for growing both corn and soy as chicken feed. By co-locating the biogas plant with production of chickens and chicken feed, Vitagen is planning an integrated solution that provides a sustainable and profitable upgrade to existing farm practices in Mindanao. Technologies such as micronutrients, forced drying of feed, and soil analysis will combine to make a superior chicken industry. Additionally, by co-locating where our food is grown, additional agriculture wastes such as banana stalks, corn cobs, and rice hulls can be recycled and converted to energy and nutrition. Vitagen's vision is to provide sustainable agricultural ecosystems using biogas, is aggressive and far-reaching, with potential to affect nearly 2.5 billion people on Earth who live in regions where energy is deficient and farm practice is primitive. To implement this vision and to provide hope for a better future, Vitagen will need a lot of help. We greatly encourage your support for our plan.